Okay, for this recipe, we need 100 grams of chicken, around 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, salt to taste, some garlic powder, cumin, pepper, and some chicken seasoning. So first, you have to put the egg on the chicken and then mix it very well so the chicken is covered by eggs. Yeah, just like this. And then you need to put salt, garlic powder, cumin, pepper, and chicken seasoning into Parmesan cheese and mix it well. Okay. So you have to make sure it's really mixed well, and then you just simply take the chicken out from the egg mixture and cover it with this Parmesan and spiced Parmesan mix. You can just take it like this, and then yeah, so you continue to do this. You can put them all together if you want, or if you can do it one by one.